Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new video today. I will be showing you how to mount two microphones onto your DJI Osmo Mobile 2 for video recording using either an iPhone or an Android smartphone. So here goes. The first question I would like to ask is, do you shoot video whereby you want to record sound sources in front of the camera as well as from the back, such as in an event where you are the narrator and you are actually filming using the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, pointing at the subject or the event happening in front of you, and you have one microphone facing yourself and one facing the front, right? And this is the way that I would recommend that you record a proper concert or an event whereby the sound source is 360 degrees around you. And you can also narrate like what I'm doing. Actually, when I'm recording this, a microphone is on my camera pointing back at me so that you can hear my voice very clearly. And it is a long mic that pick up the source directly from me. However, these two microphones that I'm demonstrating here are XY microphones, which means they have two input mounted at 90 degrees to each other, so that the sound field that they are recording is actually this way, 90 degrees. This one too, the Techstar 698, which I'm holding, also has an XY configuration so that it measures a 90 degree field from its entrance. By doing this and this configuration, or the other way around, I would effectively have 90 degrees in front and 90 degrees at the back. So that covers what I'm saying. That covers sources of sound from my back as well as the subject level in front of me 90 degrees. So how do I configure the input of two mics into my phone? Well, first of all, if you have two mics, you will realize that the output is a wire, right? And it terminates in a TRS jack, like this 3.5mm TRS jack with a dual black band. So is this Techstar 698. Let me just disengage this part so that you can see it carefully. You see that the Techstar is outputting into a 3.5mm dual black band, which is called the TRS jack. With this cable, which I would put the description down, and it is such an affordable and useful gadget that you should buy and keep even if you don't need it immediately, because it is a difficult to source piece of gadget, and if you do not know how to use this, you would probably end up spending 40 to 50 US dollars on a gadget that mixes two channels into one. So I like to share with you that this piece of cable here is not a splitter from a stereo source into two echo channel. What it does is that it combines two stereo input into two channels and output it into the camera or your phone. So what you need to do is to mount one of the microphone to one of the jacks here and the other to the other one. Doesn't matter whether it's a red or black, it's just for denotion. So what I do is that after you mount it, you plug this either to your camera using the TRS or an adapter that changes the TRS into a TRRS cable, which I have it here, the black color one. So as you can see, the jack is different. One has 3 bands and the other one has 2 bands. This is called a TRRS jack. This is called a TRS jack. So you do this. And it goes into your Android phone. To use an iPhone, you need to use this adapter which converts the TRRS into a lightning adapter. If you can see it here. And then this will go into your iPhone. So there you have it, gentlemen. As I've recommended before, you have to buy something like this that gives you the option of mounting 3 different gadgets onto this Joby Pro Grip with an ultra plate, which you can mount on a tripod, and it allows you to mount one mic facing in front, one to the back, and maybe you can use this one for a light, right? And this is very useful. You can also mount a battery over here to power your equipment, such as your DJI Osmo Mobile 2 or the lights. I find this a very useful component, and I will leave all the details of buying this cable, and I highly recommend that you get it. It is a very useful cable that is well made, and few people know about this, and they end up buying a big gadget, a box or something that does the same thing, except that you can monitor the sound as well as change the volume. And what I like to do is that I use two mics into this phone, and I use it with my camera or my phones, and this goes to my camera. So there you have it, the complete solution for mounting two mics, the H1, Techstar 698 or any other mic that you may have, into your DJI Osmo Mobile 2. If you have any question, please feel free to comment and I will answer them. If you like this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye.